Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and then disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, you'll need to drain the entire cooling system completely into a suitable container. Finally, remove the serpentine belt by releasing the tension on the idler pulley. This crucial preparation ensures a smoother process for the upcoming steps. With the system drained and belt off, you can now access the water pump. Carefully remove any components that might be obstructing your view or access to the pump. Then, detach all radiator hoses connected to the water pump housing. Finally, using the correct tools, carefully unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. Take your time with these steps to avoid damage. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: after all that hard work under the hood, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a classic for a reason. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the installation. Before placing the new pump, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine block. Install the new water pump with a fresh gasket, ensuring proper torque on all bolts. Reconnect all hoses securely and reinstall the serpentine belt. Finally, refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture and bleed any air. Double check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.